Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Decorating on the Budget. Today I decided to go ahead and straighten out the side of the garage where my storage bins are. Now if you didn't know, I hurt my knee and I had someone else just putting the things out in the garage and they ended up being everywhere. So I decided today that I'm coming out here. I am going to back the car out so I can have space in the garage, and I'm going to get to cleaning on the side where my bins are. Now this is going to be like a 3-part series. I'm going to clean if you're facing the garage, I'm going to clean the right side where my storage bins are. And then I want to clean off the shelves and get them organized where my dishes are. And then the left side of the garage really needs to be cleaned. Now it's going to be a lot of moving, a lot of cleaning, trying to get the things that are out in the way of the garage, trying to get them cleaned up and in some kind of order. So I'm going to stop chatting and I'm going to just get to cleaning because it really, really needs it. And somehow my ponytail is flying away. I didn't realize it was flying that hard, but it is. But you see how everything is out of order. There's trash over there. Some of that stuff, I don't even know why it was over there. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm just going to jump into it. Now let me know down below if you're trying to do your spring cleaning and get things in order for this year. Let me know. I would love to read your comments as always, and I'll catch you at the end.
place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings.
All right, it is finished. Now, I got the bins and the boxes over here straightened up pretty much where they're not overflowing. We can walk over there to them with no problem. But I still need to get some more storage bins. As you see, I have quite a few boxes that need to be put in bins. I have some ornaments up there. Some ornaments on the top up there. I want to put all of my ornaments in a bin. So that's something I'm working toward. I did get all the other bins put in their little cubby there. And the other outside things are in there, so they're out of the way. Over here, this stuff piled over here. The bottom bin is spring. And the turquoise one and the two boxes. Well, the turquoise one is summer. The one on top is summer, but the one in the middle is Valentine's. I need to get some more bins, as I stated. But I tried to keep all my flower bins together. Those are my flower bins, those 4. But I do need to get some more and separate them. I want to separate them by color. So over here, the foolishness of it all. Today was just about getting the bins organized. Well, the area organized and clean where it doesn't look like a bomb exploded in this garage on this side when you open the door, because, child, it was. My next step in another video, I'm going to tackle these shelves. They're in a disarray, and I need to get those shelves organized. I want to go back to putting all the candles and things like that on the shelf, but the candle holders, I mean, because down there on the bottom in the corner, there's some on the bottom shelf and the medium shelf, and I have some stuck other places that don't belong. It's some things on these shelves that don't belong there, so I want to get all that organized. And then the last bit of the garage will be this dumping area. Okay, first I need to get that broke treadmill out to the trash. And our big trash pickup day is on Mondays. So I have to get my brother-in-law over here. One day I can get him over here on a Sunday. Get all the boxes that are sitting on top of it off, and so he can push it out there for me on the curb or I could take all the boxes off the treadmill and have my brother-in-law come over here and fold it up and put it on the curb. The reason I haven't done it is because your girl is terrified of spiders. And I know there are spiders all up and through and under that, and I'm having no part of it. Now, a lot of that stuff over there is my husband's stuff he uses to clean the car. And then paint that I use in the house is over there too. And, you know, like my spray paints and things and varnishes, they're over there. And I'm working on getting a shelf out here where I can put his car stuff on one shelf and all the paint on another shelf. And then I want to get me some more hooks to go up there because I want to hang up all my wreaths. I want to encase them in plastic and hang them up there so they'll be stored somewhere by season. Yeah, you know your girl is really weird about that. But I want to have all the wreaths up there because I have 2 sitting right there on the floor. In front of that shelf, there are 2 wreaths there. But my whole deal is to get the 2 shelves I need. I may need 3 to straighten up this area over here. But once I get that treadmill out of here, it'll make it much easier for me to see what I need over there. So the first job is to get the treadmill out of here. Then I can work on this side of the garage. But until I get that treadmill out, I won't be able to do anything over there. So I'm basically, I have to get my brother-in-law when he's not busy or extra tired and have him help me get that out of here. But this is a 3-part cleanup. I've done this part. Now, later on, you'll see the shelf is cleaned up. And then this will be the very last area to clean up. Hopefully, I can get this area cleaned up before it gets like running like 100 degrees here. Like today, it is muggy outside. See that? And it's a nice breeze out. Let me see what the temperature is. Oh, it says it's 81 degrees out here. Let me show you the thermostat out here. So, I'm going to let you go. So, I'm sweaty as all get out. A shower is calling me. But I do have one more video to record today, and I want to try to get that done before I jump in the shower. But that video, it entails me digging in some things and cleaning up as well. So let me know what you think about the area I cleaned up today and my plans for the other two areas. And let me know if you're cleaning your garage for the spring. So I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.